Hello friends, to dear students. Today I will give you some tips on war and its kinds. Let's see here. War is a word which shows an action in a sentence. Means action showing words are called verb. Today I will not discuss about this more. My motto is to make you chart on kinds of verb. So let's see here. Kinds. There are two major kinds of verb. First, finite verb, finite verbs, and second is non-finite verbs. Again, finite verb has three subkinds. First one is transitive, verb. Second is intransitive, verb. And third one is auxiliaries. There are two kinds of auxiliaries. First, primary auxiliaries, and second, modals. First, we take primary auxiliaries. Primary auxiliaries have three subkinds: be, do, and have. They play the important role to form the different kinds of sentences. वी वर्ब के पार्ट्स हैं, सब काइंड्स कहेंगे उसको. इज, एम, आर, वॉज, वर, बी, बीइंग, बीन. डू का डू, डज, डिड. हैव, हैज, had. Now we come to, they are 14 in numbers. Next, प्राइमरी ऑक्सिलरीज के बाद मॉडल्स, मॉडल ऑक्सिलरीज. They are 18 in number. First, may, might, can, could, shall, should, will, would, must, dare, ought to, used to, have to, has to, had to, shall, have to, will have to. These models are asked in the board examination, 10th class board examination, for 2 marks. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 जो बोर्ड का एग्जामिनेशन का पेपर होता है इंग्लिश का, 2 नंबर का मॉडल पूछा जाता है। और क्वेश्चन नंबर जो 9 होता है और वो 3 मार्क्स का पूछा जाता है। नाउ वी कम टू द नॉन फाइनाइट, जो सेकंड मेजर सब काइंड्स था नॉन फाइनाइट्स, उस पे हम आएंगे। वो भी क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 होता है बोर्ड एग्जाम का, जो 2 नंबर का होता है। नॉन फाइनाइट्स, non-finites are the word which does not agree to its subject, number and person. They are 3 in number. First, gerund. Second, infinitive. Third one is participle. There are 3 sub kinds of participle: present participle, second past participle, and third one is perfect participle. This question is also asked, as I told you, in question number 6 in board examination paper for 10th class for 2 marks. Let us check it and then react it. Till then, have a nice time.